everyone, and welcome to this lecture. Now, in this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Bard to find out customer feedback, meaning how many people are satisfied versus how many people are not satisfied. And I think the best kind of products that we can target is products like this, cosmetics, because women that buy these products usually tend to go back and give their ratings. And here I can see that there's a lot of ratings for this particular product. So I'm going to click on it over here. Now, I'm going to click on the 5-star reviews. I'm going to copy some of them. And I'm going to next click on the 1-star reviews and copy some of them. So here we have the 5-star reviews. So I'm going to copy all these reviews like this. Just copy them like this. I mean, hopefully we'll be able to process it because ChatGPT actually can do that. So here, I'm going to copy this and go back to Google Bard. And I'm going to say, based on these 5-star reviews, what do you think are the pros of the product? Based on the following 5-star reviews, tell me what do you think is the best or are the pros of the product. And I can just paste this in. And right now it's going to take this into consideration. It's going to tell me what it thinks is the best part about the product that customers really love. And in the meantime, while it's actually answering my question, I'm going to go back and click on the 1-star reviews because that's a strategy that you do. You take the 5-star reviews and you take the 1-star reviews and you find out what people dislike the most and what people like the most. So here I can see there's a lot of anger. Now, not a lot. Just about 3 people that have written these comments, which means that this product is relatively good. Only 3 people has complained about it. And I can go back here to Google Bard. So if I scroll down over here, it is telling us the pros, right? So these are additional, but let me just scroll to the top to see the pros. Moisturizing, non-greasy, long-lasting, affordable, effective. All of these are things that you can use in your marketing campaign. So you could just directly right now tell it, build my Facebook ad content for me, and it can do that. Also, it's telling us some additional pros that were mentioned by a few reviewers. Smells good, easy to apply, safe for sensitive skin, etc. I'm going to say take the following negatives or negative comments and let me know what are the cons. So here, I'm going to paste the negatives and it's going to tell us exactly what it thinks are the cons based on the reviews that we gave it. So no matter if these are real or fake reviews, it's just going to tell us based on what we provide it with. So if we scroll down over here, now here it's telling us that greasy, not for the sensitive skin, smells sour, wrong product scent, not the original product. Okay, so here I can see that most people that are complaining here, they haven't even really received the product. So they're basically what they're doing is they're complaining about not receiving the product instead of the product itself. So probably they have received the wrong product or something like that. So maybe there was a missed, I would say the product delivery was wrong. So that's what they're basically complaining about. But most likely, I would say that according to stats, this product overall is good. I mean, 57% are 5 stars. And if you want to elaborate more, you could put all the comments in an Excel spreadsheet and you could just simply, all of those comments, you could put them on Google Bard and it will analyze it. Now, similarly, if you are an instructor or if you have a funnel or if you are selling products, this is what you can do, right? To basically analyze what the competition or what people think about you. So for example, here, you can take a course and you can analyze its reviews. So for example, this course right here about AWS, you could analyze its reviews. Now, the good thing is you don't have to read review by review because you just can copy all the reviews and it will basically tell you if overall people think you're good or not. And if they think something, or if some people think that your course is not good for them or your product is not good for them, they can actually tell you what is not good for them and what they need to change. And so this actually here on Fiverr, I think there's a lot of people that are doing the very same thing. Review analysis. Review analysis. Let's search. Hopefully we can find some services. I'll conduct a systematic review and meta analysis. Yeah. So this guy is obviously conducting review analysis for people for $150. Now this guy is also providing reviews for $250. Now, of course, these guys are professionals, okay? And they don't really have that many orders, but you can do this kind of stuff using these tools. Now, of course, these kinds of reviews, they're not like the kind of review that I showed you, but nonetheless, you could do them. You could do a literature review, a systematic review, a meta-analysis review, just by simply using the content. People can give you the content, and you can use all these methods here, the general linear model, even though I don't understand anything about this. But actually Googlebot can help you with all of this. And so without further ado, let's move on to the topic of the next lecture, which is exciting, which is going to be about trend identification. So we're going to pretend that you're a blogger in the food niche, and we're going to go ahead and use the tool to find us some trending topics that we can create blog posts about. See you in the next lecture. Stay tuned.